In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly account effortlessly. Calendly is a great tool for managing appointments and integrating smoothly with your digital calendar. Whether you're scheduling meetings or booking client appointments, this guide will help you set up your account in just a few steps. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Once you're there, look for the Get Started button on the home page and give it a click. This will take you to the sign up options where you can choose to continue with Google. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, which simplifies the process by using credentials you already have. If prompted, select the Google account you want to link with Calendly. It might ask you to confirm your choice. So go ahead and click continue on the pop-up that appears. Now, Calendly will request specific permissions to access your calendar and email, which are necessary for scheduling events. Click on select what Calendly can access to view these permissions in detail. Carefully review them, and if you're comfortable, click continue to proceed. Next, you'll encounter a few setup questions from Calendly, starting with how you plan to use its services. Choose an option that best describes your intentions. For many, on my own might be the most suitable choice. After that, click Next to move on. The next step is to specify your role. You'll be presented with options like finance or other. Choose the most applicable title to your situation. Moving forward, you'll come across the setup page for your calendar usage. Here you can decide how you want to manage your schedule. If you're not ready to set this up yet, simply click skip to bypass for now. Subsequently, Calendly will inquire about your availability. This will determine when others can book appointments with you. Again, if you're unsure of your schedule, you can click skip. Lastly, Calendly will ask how you'd like to hold meetings. Is it via a call, video conference, or perhaps in person? Similar to the previous steps, you have the flexibility to skip this for later. And there you have it. Your Calendly account is set up and ready to be customized according to your preferences. Remember, you can return to these settings at any time to make adjustments as your scheduling needs evolve. Calendly is a robust tool that not only helps you save time, but also streamlines the meeting booking process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!